Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Guys, we have a very exciting video for today. As some of you might know, my boyfriend Zach loves to go thrifting just as much as I do, and he specifically loves finding me stuff and shopping for me. Honestly, if he could style me every day, he probably would. And he actually made me a vintage Y2K mystery box for my birthday this past summer, which was so good. And guess what? He made me another one for Valentine's Day. So he's been secondhand shopping for me for the past few weeks, putting this together. I don't know anything about what's in this box at all. He just told me that he wanted to make me another mystery box because the last one was so fun. So let's go ahead and bring him in. Okay, I'll close my eyes.
You ready?
Yeah.
Ta-da!
Yay! Oh my god, this is huge! Are you excited? Because I am.
Yeah.
Okay, so tell me, what was the vibe that you're going for with this box for me?
At first there was no vibe.
Okay.
I think the biggest thing was that I wanted to get you stuff you'd actually wear. I saw so much stuff, I'm like, damn, that's fire, that's sick, but like, is Adrienne gonna wear that on a day-to-day basis?
Probably not.
So, I would say the main vibes are very Y2K and very girly.
Okay.
But also cool girl.
Okay.
She's gonna slay a little.
Sounds good. Shall we open?
Hell yeah.
Let's do it. Here we go. Zach's gonna sit in front of me here on my couch because he wants to see my reaction. So if you see me looking up, that's why. So let's start. Oh, Carl wants to see too. Oh, look how cute and festive. The heart tissue paper. Wait, you're like so profesh. You should start a business. Somebody said that in my last video that you should do this for a living. Any specific order? Can I just?
No, I kinda want you to just pick randomly.
This big one is calling my name, but I'm not gonna do that. Let's do this tiny red one here. Here we go. Oh my god, look at this wrapping. You are so profesh. Oh my god, wait.
This one's really good. Really good. Starting off with a banger. Flip it around the other way.
Stop it. Stop it. You're lying. Green, the new color of love. Oh my god. If you know, you know, okay? If you watch my channel, you know our obsession with the green M&M and where it came from. I can't believe you found this. Oh my god, it's vintage too.
Kind of like Valentine's Day vibes.
Yes, of course. Valentine's Day is actually in 2 days from when we're filming this, so I literally might wear this on Valentine's Day.
Plus, it's not just like a t-shirt.
Yeah, it's like a fitted, longer Y2K style. Yes. She looks so cute. Look at her poses. Okay, we're off to a good start. I'll go for this small one here. Oh my god, you wrapped this so good.
I know, sorry.
He was in there like for 2 hours the other night just wrapping this for me. Ooh, look at that. Vintage wet seal.
Lace cami underneath.
Yes, you know the vibes. I love the graphic on it. Also, this silhouette is so cute. I love the like longer style with the like elastic at the bottom and the cute little puff sleeve.
I'm trying to show you some stuff too that's not like too girly.
Yeah.
She's a little edgy.
Yeah.
That's from Facebook Marketplace.
Oh my god.
Shout out that person.
We love a good Facebook Marketplace find, okay?
And the heart.
Oh my god! He had a theme. He said he didn't have a theme, but I swear he does. Yeah, it has a little heart on it. I don't know if I showed it up close. Look at that. So good. All right, moving on. Ooh, jeans, denim, a bag.
Halfway there.
I'm scared. Wet seal capris. Oh my god, these are so cute. Look at the big cuffs. Wait, these are cunty.
Yeah, and they should hopefully fit you really good. Like the waist measurement, like matched up good. Literally every night after Adrienne went to bed, I would just come in here and be like measuring stuff to make sure it like matched up good. And I want it to fit, you know, I don't want to just get stuff to get stuff. I want it to be wearable, so.
I love that. Oh, that's so funny. I can just picture you in here at like 2 a.m. just taking my clothes off the clothing rack and measuring them.
I literally was.
That's so funny. Anyways, let's look at the back. I didn't show you guys the back. Cute stitching detail, more details at the bottom. I really love the giant cuffs. I feel like that really makes it extra cute.
I like how on the back it has like a...
Yeah, like a little slit kinda. Yeah. I've been wanting some more capris. I have a pair, but they don't fit me the best, so we'll see how these fit. Kinda wanna do this little tiny one.
What do you think it is?
A skinny scarf.
No.
Oh. Only because we were just talking about that the other day. Yeah, I have no idea what this is then. It's probably a top. Ooh! Oh my god, that's so cute! Wait, this is so adorable. Literally my Pinterest board come to life. It's a vintage Hollister lace cami, but the little bow. I've never seen ones with the bow on it. I've only seen the like plain lace.
That was what sold me.
Oh, and it's like a racerback style too. It's super long, and then we have the logo at the bottom, of course. Yes, this is everything. I love the color. Nice little spring vibe. Wait, the bow is like plaid too. How cute is that?
I just thought it'd be really good for like layering and stuff.
Yeah.
You've been loving your camis lately, so.
Yes, he knows. Okay, I'll do this one. This feels like a bag. Oh, I'm so excited. I love bags. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Cut the cameras. Cut the freaking cameras. I didn't even see what brand it was or anything. Is it Dooney and Burke?
Yes.
I didn't even show you guys. Hold on. Oh my god. Look at the hearts. Oh my god. And the pink inside the strap. You know, this is actually really good because I only have one white bag and I feel like I just don't like it anymore. It's like a weird shape.
Speaking of that, so that was another thing where I wanted to get you a bag. So I came in here and I was like, she has way too many black bags. Because they actually had that in black.
Oh my god.
But I was like, wait, she only has like 2 white bags. Yeah. She never wears them. So.
Yeah, I don't like them that much, so.
This one to me is just so like Paris Hilton coded, like
yes.
the white and pink, like that's such a good combo. And then the hearts like make it so fun.
I love the colorful hearts. Oh my god. And then here's the little charm. This feels like so high quality. It's insane. I love Dooney and Burke bags. Here's the inside. That is so freaking cute. I can't. Wait, let's see.
And yeah. I thought it was a good size.
It is, yeah. I really like the shape and the size and everything.
Funnily enough, you've opened all the items, so I thought a really fire outfit. The capris, the M&M shirt, and then that bag.
Okay, we'll have to try that on together at the end. That's a vibe. All that's left on the top row is the big one.
This thing was so annoying to wrap.
What could this be? Yeah, I'm guessing like a jacket, maybe a zip-up hoodie. Hold on now, hold on. Vintage papaya. Oh my goodness. Look at the rhinestones. I'm gagged. I'm truly speechless. You guys know I love a good fur trim hood, okay? The inside of it's so cute too.
I just had to get this, like when I saw it. It's cropped.
Yes.
Has the fur hood.
Yes.
Has like the freaking rhinestones and it's like corduroy.
Oh yeah, I didn't even notice. It is corduroy.
And the inside is so cute too.
Oh, the whole inside's like that. I love that it's cropped. I feel like that's gonna be so cute. I don't have any jackets like that. Can't wait to try everything on. That's like the best part. Ooh, everything's kind of matching together. You know the vibes. Okay. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Here we go. Oh, this has a tag still. 3, 2, 1. Oh, yes. Oh my god. The Aeropostale layered long sleeve tee. What's it say? Hottie? Oh, yes. Hottie, hottie.
The bag of toddies.
Oh my god, wait, look at the sleeve. Wait. This is so me. Wait, I might want to wear this on Valentine's Day instead. What else does this say? Hottie. All boys beware. Made of sugar and a whole lot of spice. And it has the tag still? That's crazy. Why is this so soft too? Ooh, I don't know what my favorite thing is so far. It's also good. This feels light. Yes! Look at the details at the bottom. How did you find exactly what I've been wanting? I love this color. It's funny because I just thrifted like a few like scarves the other day, but I fear this one tops all of them. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Like I said, I'm trying to up my accessory game, so you must have heard that. Next. Stop it. Oh, that's adorable. Wait, I'm already thinking ahead. I'm gonna wear this on Easter. Okay.
Oh my god.
It's vintage Charlotte Russe. Little like eyelet floral wrap top. It's got a little peplum. Look at the little bows. I love this. This is also very me. I should have expected that. Like, you know me best out of anyone, so.
You know what we're wearing underneath that.
A lace cami. Okay, yes. You already know.
Open the white one next.
The white one, okay. Ooh, this is heavy. Oh, these are really cute. Sorry, I've just been saying that for everything. I don't know what else to say because everything's really cute. No, but these are actually really adorable. Look at these. Oh yes, vintage Aeropostale. I've never seen that tag before. Look at the waist, how cute. The floral detail, little cargo capris.
These really cheap on Facebook.
Really?
So hopefully they fit.
Ooh, I'm excited to try these on. I feel like these are nice, like essential pants. Like they'll match everything in my closet pretty much. Cute little pockets on the front. I love. We have 2 more.
These are good ones.
These are good ones, okay. Are these swim shorts?
Yes.
Oh, yes! We were just talking about this not too long ago, how I wanted like a Y2K vintage like swimsuit, but like with the little shorts. And these are perfect. I didn't even say what they were. They are vintage Victoria's Secret pink. I love the butt. What does it say? Team Pink. The colors are really fun. They give me like lemonade vibes. And it's got a little patch here. And I think I might have like a swimsuit top that might match this good.
Pink one?
Yeah.
That's what I was thinking too.
He already knows.
And I was thinking you could wear even the bikini bottom.
Yeah, under.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're a little sheer. But yeah, these will be good. Very sporty. Oh, I didn't even notice there's like little stripes here. Okay, are we ready for the last thing? Here we go. More bottoms. Oh my God. The vintage Miss 60 jeans. I don't even know what to say. I'm like speechless right now. How did you even find these? I need to show you guys the details right now of what I'm looking at. These are insane. Floral embroidery on the side. The 60 little chrome logo. The gem on the pocket. Look at the button too. It literally says Miss 60 and it's like 3D. Here's the tag. Oh, but wait until you see the butt. Insane. And they're flare-legged, I think.
Yep.
Yay! You know what I like. Oh my God, I can't wait to try them on. I love everything. He said there's one thing that didn't come, so let's see what it is.
Yeah, I don't know what happened. I bought this like almost 3 weeks ago. I feel like looking at it, maybe it's not the cutest, but I feel like styled it would be really cute.
Oh, cute. No, that's really cute.
Okay.
Yes.
I'm really trying to find you like one of those cute short sleeve blazer tops. And
Yeah.
That one was like really unique.
Yeah, because it's almost like a sweater material. Super cutie. Well, hopefully it comes. Okay, let's try everything on. Oh my God. We're off to a good start because you know what? The pants fit me perfectly. These are the vintage Wet Seal capris and then Miss Green M&M fitted baby tee and the Dooney and Burke bag. What a fit. Am I right? Everything fits so good already.
Like a model right now, like genuinely.
The pants and the kitten heel combo is really model off duty. I love these. I feel like I'm gonna be reaching for these a ton in the spring. We love that. And the shirt is so cute. I'm literally gonna wear this tomorrow. And the bag, we can't forget about the bag. Love her. On to the next.
You should just let me be your stylist, like full time.
I would love that. Okay, next up is the Hollister light blue lace cami. I just tried it on like with nothing on top so you guys could see it, but oh my God, doesn't this look amazing? Again, fits me perfectly. What did we expect? The little bow is my favorite part. And then Zach suggested trying the white cropped fur-lined jacket with this, so let's see how that looks. I think you might be onto something here.
Yeah.
This is so warm.
I love it because it's like super hot.
Yeah, it's almost like a bolero. Should I zip it a little bit? Oh my God, look at this. Yes. Yes, I love it. I really don't have anything like this. And just like the little details are so fun. Hopefully it's cold for a few more weeks so I can wear this. And it's got the hood. All right, you are on a roll because everything is fitting perfectly. It's crazy too because you like unintentionally made so many good outfits. Like everything goes together and can be styled together. But I am wearing the hottie like a bag of Takis layered long sleeve Aeropostale top. And then the Aeropostale cargo capris. I think I'm a capri girly now. I don't know, I just feel like they look really good on me. I feel like Sam Puckett in this outfit.
Dude, literally.
She would definitely wear this. Okay, next up is the purple Wet Seal top and the Miss 60 jeans. I'm impressed. I love these two together too. They look really good. And of course I layered the top with a lace cami. Love how that looks. And like I said, I just love the graphic on this. It's really cute. I feel like these jeans are like super cunty. Like they're a little bit long, so I feel like they look really good with the kitten heel, pointed toe peeking out. It's a vibe. All right, and then we both thought that the little lavender scarf would look really cute with this top too. And guess what? It does. Super cute. So tie it around. Guys, these are all over my Pinterest board right now. And I love the little sequin detail. I love this. And it's not too thick, so I can wear it still in the spring a little bit. She's cute.
You look so good in that. I be making you look so good. Like,
I know.
you know we need to do this every day.
I had to put the capris back on for this one, but we have the vintage Charlotte Russe little pink ruffle wrap top. This is just darling. It's got the 2 ribbons you can tie in a bow. Put a lace cami on underneath. Duh. I love this. I love everything. All right, next up is the vintage Victoria's Secret pink little swim shorts. Sorry, I did not put on a bathing suit for this. I'm not about that, but I fear they're gonna be so cute with my pink bikini, and I think you have to take me to the beach this summer so I can wear these. This is like exactly what I was looking for.
They're way harder to find than you would think. I don't know why. They're just really hard to find.
They're rare. I'm glad you picked these ones because I love the color combo. Really cute. Here is a final look at everything all together. Oh my god. I'm so impressed. You did so good. Thank you, Pookie. Oh my goodness. I fear you outdid yourself.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That was my goal.
I think this was way better than the last one, but if you guys saw the last video, let me know what you think. And let me know if you guys would be interested in a video where I make him a mystery box. I've been thinking about doing that. I just feel like it's so hard. Like, I really don't give him enough credit at how hard this probably is.
It's very hard.
Yeah. But I feel like I want to try and make you one to repay you for all your efforts. So let me know if you guys would be interested in watching that video.
So what was your favorite thing?
My favorite thing? If I had to pick one, it would probably be the wet seal capris, just because they fit me so good.
Yeah, kind of a surprise.
And like, they're nothing crazy, but I really like the style of them, and I feel like they just will go with everything. A second favorite, if I had to pick, probably the bag.
The bag's pretty fun.
Yeah, she's just adorable. So yeah, those are my 2 faves.
I think my favorite would probably be the capris as well.
Yeah.
Like, they just look so good on you, like genuinely so good.
Yeah, I don't know why you were like overthinking this, because it turned out really good. Like, he was like, oh, I don't know, like, I'm iffy about this. Like, I want it to be really good. And like, you were just second guessing everything.
Well, I had to outdo myself from last time, first of all. And then second of all, like, I want everything to look good on you and fit you good. I just wanted to wow you, you know? Like,
well, you did.
I didn't want to just, like, there to be, like, filler items. I wanted to make it, like, really good. And, like, everything for you to be like, oh my god, so cute.
Well, I did, so. Well, that is all for today's video. And happy Valentine's Day to you, Pookie.
You too, thank you.
Oh my god, we love each other.
Yeah, 3, 2, 1, happy Valentine's Day.
That was so dumb.